I did my WhatsApp marketing by sending bulk WhatsApp messages to these multiple contacts with their personalized name without getting blocked or spam. Sounds shocking, right? So here I've come up with an amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique using which you can send the broadcast message to your multiple contacts with their personalized name without getting blocked and with a very legal method using this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here using this software, I have set up a WhatsApp broadcast to send my new salon offers to all these contacts whose data I have in Google Sheet. And you can see the message has sent with a personalized name like Hi Smart User. And I have sent this message using a template message. So now here we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp marketing for your business too by using this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So you need to access for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to connect yours, click on this add button and you can see two methods. So here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the YouTube videos that is attached in the description box as well. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel as well. Alright, so as you know that in this video we are going to learn about the WhatsApp broadcast method. So for that we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that is broadcast. But before that, let me tell you that I'm going to use an approved WhatsApp template to send the WhatsApp message to all my customers. So for that I've already created a template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, but if you want to send the regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that technique, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. So now here firstly I'm going to show you the template that I've already created by accessing this template section. Now under this template section, you can see the number of approved templates, number of pending, draft and rejected templates. And these are the templates that I've created with different names in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So in this case, we are going to use a template that I already have with the name salon offer, and this is the message that I have drafted. And here you can see the status of my template is approved. That means I can use this template to send the WhatsApp messages to my customers or leads. So here to create a new one, click on the add template button, and here if you want to generate the template using AI, then select this method or else select add template and it will direct you to a new template window. And then here you need to add some details and click on the submit button to create your template, and then it is going to be sent to get approval from Meta. To learn about this template creation process in detail, you can click on this learn more hyperlink available over here. For now we already have a template, so we're going to move towards the broadcast section, and under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, live, sent and scheduled broadcast. So here to create a new one, we're going to click on the add broadcast button, and here it has directed us to our WhatsApp broadcast window. So firstly we're going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and for the name we are going to give the name as new salon sale offers. Let's move forward. Then comes the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. But as I've already mentioned that I want to send the WhatsApp messages to all these contacts whose data I have in Google Sheet. So now here I need to add these contacts as a new contact in my Pabbly Chatflow account in order to send the WhatsApp messages to these people. So for that we are going to access this contact section available over here. Now under this contact section, here in the left side you can see the existing contact list, and here to create a new one, click on this add contact. If you want to add single contact, add these details, or else add bulk contacts. For adding bulk contacts over here, you need to upload the CSV file, but as you know that I have the customer details in Google Sheets, so now I need to download this data in a .csv format, and for that you need to download the file by selecting this file option in a .csv format. Once the file is downloaded, you can upload the same over here, and automatically your contacts will be created in bulk inside Pabbly Chatflow. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now I'm going to use the existing list that I have with the name new list, so I'm going to select that. You can add multiple lists over here. Then comes the message type. So you can see two methods, one is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but to send the regular message, select this option, then select the message type, and if you enter the text over here, you can have a preview of your message in the right side. Alright, for now we're going to use a pre-approved template message. So this is my message template. We are going to select that, and here I've used a variable in the place of name because variables makes our text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So here I want when my customer is going to receive this message, then this name variable should be replaced with my customer's name. And now here to make this field permanently dynamic, let's access this contact custom fields available over here in the settings section. Here you can see the 4 permanent fields such as name, mobile number, last name and the first name, where else you can add more contact custom fields as per your variables. For now, as you know that I've used a variable in the place of name, so we're going to copy the field name for the same and we're going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on this done button, and you can see we have successfully added our template over here. Then it is asking us to test our broadcast message by sending it on our phone number first before sending it to our wider audience. So here I'm going to add my username, and then I'm going to add my own number in order to receive the WhatsApp message. And then we're going to click on the send test message. It says test broadcast send. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see a new message has been received with my name over here. So with this we have successfully tested our broadcast. Now here it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send the broadcast message instantly to all your leads and customers, then select no, or to schedule it for the later, select yes. Then here you need to select a particular date and time. I'm going to select the date and time for the future, because if you select the past date and time, then it is going to send instant WhatsApp messages to all your contacts. Alright, then you're going to click on this add broadcast, and you can see we have successfully scheduled a new broadcast over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you can see the rate of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. And also let me tell you that you can resend this message to your valid failed contacts. Alright, so these were the very simple steps for doing WhatsApp marketing without getting blocked. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link, and if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.